Hey guys, Alicia here. Today's video I'm going to go back to the basics and I'm going to show you exactly how you can make a simple monogram which could be used on anything. You can use it on logo design, you can use it on greeting cards, you can use it for wall art, you can use it for all types of things. The reason I'm kind of going back to the basics is that now that I have over 4,000 subscribers, I have a lot of new people coming in and they are asking lots of questions about back to the basics. Now, you can go to my playlists right here and I have everything organized into playlists. So usually the best thing to do, like I have printable wall art, printable quotes, wedding printables. I have things on entrepreneurship and building your business, how to make money on YouTube, printable greeting cards, social media marketing, Etsy fundamentals. That is where I have a lot of items. Printables, graphic design and graphics. So I'm not going to go read all these, but just to let you know, if you go to this tab right here, playlists, it will take you back to videos that I did 8-9 months ago that explain how to do everything. So also, I am going to have an online course coming out soon, actually several, probably for each niche. I'm going to start out with one that is just basics on how to get started doing the graphic design. Now, since I'm going back to the basics, the reason I started this channel is as a single mother, I struggled and I wanted to teach people how to make money online without having to spend any money or very little money at all. And also keeping it user-friendly and budget-friendly, not having to use expensive programs like Photoshop and Illustrator, InDesign, those types of things. Now, those are wonderful programs, but I'm trying to teach it in a budget and user-friendly way. So let's jump right into the video. I'm going to show you how exactly to do it. Now, if you have been following me, you know that iPicky.com is one of my favorite sites to use. You can also use PicMonkey. A lot of people use PicMonkey, and I have PicMonkey as well. Each one serves a different purpose. I like iPicky because I feel like I have more leverage on what I can actually do. Okay, so we're going to click here on Create a Design. And while this is loading, also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And if you have not yet joined my Facebook group, you can sign up for my Facebook group, which if you're on Facebook, all you have to do is search under groups and type in Etsy passive income. Make sure you answer the 2 questions and one of the moderators or myself will allow you into the group. So let's get right into the video. So I'm going to click here on new and I just really want to make a square. Okay, so I'm just going to make it 1,000 pixels by 1,000. Really doesn't need to be that big for what I'm doing. And we're going to make this transparent. So I'm going to click transparent and we are going to click create. So we now have a completely transparent background. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a letter. I'm going to add some text and I think I'm just going to add my initial here. And then I'm going to change the font . And we're going to make this bigger. So I'm just going to show you, you can use this. This is a basic that you can use on pretty much anything. Business cards, or wall art, whatever it is you want to do. Okay, now that we have our letter, is what we need to do is we're going to export this, and we're going to export it to the editor. At this point, you're going to click right here where it says textures. It looks almost like a thumbprint, and you're going to click up here to add your own texture. So I am going to upload my own texture, and I have picked from a few, and I think I'm going to use this one. Okay, at this point is what you want to do is you want to lighten this. So now you have a completely textured letter. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save this to my desktop. You can save it wherever you like, but when I'm doing videos, I just like to save it to my desktop so I can find it easily. So I'm going to go ahead and save this to my computer. And you want to make sure that it does say the PNG. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and close this because we already have it saved. We don't need to do anything else to it. Okay, so now is how you toggle back and forth from the editor to the designer is right here. So we're going to click on designer. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and click new. And I'm actually going to make like an 8 by 10. Let's just say that we were making some sort of wall art or something like that. And I'm also going to select a color. I want a really light pink. And we're going to click create. So here is our template. So now is what we need to do is we need to upload that design. And it is a transparent background. So when we pull this over here, it's really going to pop. And there we go. We have just created something. Now, if you were wanting to use this as some type of a logo or something like that, which this is not the correct template for a logo, you could actually add some more text down here at the bottom. So we could add more text, and I could just put my name. And I could change the font. Okay, so I have chosen my font. I'm actually going to bold this and make it just a little bit bigger. Okay, and this is another thing. On some of these fonts, you have to pull and stretch by these little boxes. And then there we go. We've got right now, it just looks sort of like a monogram, some sort of monogram wall art. But you can also use this same concept if you're making a logo or something like that. So that shows you how you make a textured letter or textured anything. And I'm blowing this up just so you can see it, how the texture is. So if you have any questions or comments, please join my Facebook group. Again, it's Etsy Passive Income. Make sure to answer the 2 questions, and one of the moderators or myself will allow you into the group. and it's very active, and it's very helpful, and it's also very friendly. So thank you so much for watching this video. Also, in the description below, I have a link to sign up for my email list. And please sign up for my email list. You will be the first to know when my online courses are available. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day.